When setting up a cluster with physical servers, generally that involves two or more servers with some type of shared storage, such as a fiber channel or I Scotty SAN. Now that SAN represents cost, complexity, but also a potential single point of failure. And the whole idea behind a cluster is to eliminate as many potential single points of failure as possible to maximize the uptime for your mission-critical application. So when I say the word cluster, this is what most people think of: two servers with some type of shared storage. Now, there are other ways to accomplish this that don't involve that SAN or that shared storage. Now, SIOS, through our real-time block-level data replication technology, we allow you to form what we call a SANLess cluster. This would involve two or more servers, but this time they would each have their own local storage. So here we've got two servers now, each with independent disk, and our software takes care of the real-time replication to keep each system in sync from a data perspective. So when your primary server and its application writes to the disk, the data gets replicated in real time over to your standby or your target system. So that should you have a failure of the primary machine, the standby system brings the application online and it's got a local copy of the storage just waiting to take over. So this gives you a lot more flexibility to mix and match servers and storage. You don't have to have identical servers or storage. This also gives you the ability to lower the cost and complexity as part of your cluster configuration. And again, the whole idea with a cluster is to eliminate as many potential single points of failure to maximize your application uptime. So this is just another way of thinking about clustering. If you're going to be setting up a cluster with physical servers, you don't have to have the shared storage. You can do this with local disk, and using SIOS technologies, we can provide the real-time cluster-aware data replication.